Winner.
So we're gonna open the tool set. Let's open it. Toolkit. This is the toolkit we're going to open. These are the tools. Now we have opened the tool set. Now we're going to open the ice cream set. But before that, we're going to put all the tools inside this. This is the